Got a cab high fiberglass truck cap by Century, burgundy in color, measures 100 inches long, 68 inches wide. Not exactly yet what this fits for sure. It's got some scratches right here. Once we get this uploaded on our website, it will show what we find that it fits. Got third sliding windows in it. Windows are in good shape. Paint's in good shape. A couple scuffs, really, is all that's there. A couple nicks up here. Sliding window in the front. A little bit of scratches on the window. This side looks really nice. Top was decent. It's got a single T-handle rear door. Screen has a hole right there in it. A couple just small holes here and there and everywhere. Not bad. Doesn't look like it leaks. Sliding window in the front. Looks like screen's got a small tear right there. A small hole right there. Century fiberglass.